Chad Christian here from CWC Technologies, where we bring you the latest gadgets, news, and reviews. Today, I wanted to show you a nice real tempered glass from GPEl. We want to thank them for sending us these products. I'll leave a link down below where you can get yours. This is a low cost, nice screen tempered glass. Has the 9H hardness. It also has the oleophobic coating, so you don't have to worry about smudges and smearing. It's bubble free, it's high definition. It also allows the 3D touch, so that's nice. It's shatter proof. It also comes with the easy installation guide. I just wanted to show you guys today how easy this is. So you can see it comes in a 2-pack and a single pack. I recommend the 2-pack just because if you break one, you'll have a replacement for it, and for only a couple of dollars more. So let's see what we get here in the installation guide. It says we're happy you're here. Excellent. Touch sensitivity setting guide. We'll make sure to do that once we turn the phone back on. There's our screen protectors right here. There it is. You can see that the edges are round. Now the nice thing with this is this will also allow any case to go on it because it doesn't go all the way to the very edge. That way it does allow you to put a case on there. So here's your installation guide. Clean the screen with the included alcohol wipe. So we'll do that first. And use our little sticker because I can see some dust on there. Make sure you get all the dust off because that will put bubbles on your screen and all sorts of nightmares. If you look at the phone and let the light shine off the phone, you'll be able to see if there's anything there or not. Now what we do is we just take the back cover off, just like that, and carefully apply it to the front. Really what we want to make sure is all the sensors in the right spot, and you can see that it is by using this one right here, the little cutout. There you go. Now the nice thing with this, like I said, is you can still put your cases on it. There you go. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I have been using this now for a couple days. I used it over the weekend. And one of the things that I wanted to show you here is if you go into your settings, advanced features, and you want to go down to the bottom, touch sensitivity, make sure you turn that on. What that's going to do is it increases the sensitivity if you have a screen protector on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.